Hi mga be! Tara, samahan niyo kami because we are going to Europe. Let's go! Here we are at NAIA Terminal 3 and our flight is 11 p.m. So we need to get here 4 hours before the flight. And dyan, tapos na kami sa immigration and here we go! We are boarding for the first time here at the Qatar Airways. And look, may pamonitor pa sila so you can see where you are. And the safety demonstrator is Kevin Hart. And we are bound to Doha, Qatar. Sayang at hindi sa Dubai. Para sana makita ko si Atika. Ito pala yung mga food na siniserve nila. So take a look. So nakalimutan ko na mag-video inside a plane and here we are at Hamad International Airport. Dating mo dito after sa immigration ay puro luxury stores ang bubungat sa inyo. Now let me show you some areas in the Hamad International Airport and let's find the famous lamp or the Big Bear. Finally, nakita na din natin ang Big Bear na sinasabi nila. And while waiting for our flight to Italy, we decided to take a ride on the train to explore different areas of HIA. Boarding na to Italy. Ito na. Bye!